This one, I'll give you 5.0 mole of helium gas. So that means 1 mole of helium, 22.4 liter. Easy, right? We're doing the easy stoichiometry relationship conversion. All right, question? Yes.
That's 250 liters of what?
Yeah, 250 liter divided by that, right? Because liter cancel out with liter, and then you're gonna get your mole. So if I do the math, and I think I'm getting recorded, I have a feeling. Yeah.
It's for Peter.
Yes, 250 divided by 22.4, we're gonna get 11.16 mole of neon. And then this one, they are on the top, but you see that this can cancel with this, and I want to get liter.
Do you have to say like neon gas, or do you just put neon?
No, you can just say neon. I put the gas because I want to especially emphasize that you know that. This only works for gas and only at STP. It doesn't work in all cases. It has to be STP to make it work. Okay? Make sense? So for the rest of the question down below, for the practice 1, 2, 3 and stuff, it's basically the same thing as this, right? So for all the questions, you're just converting. I give you mole or I give you volume, and I say STP, convert them. Right? Okay, so that you're gonna do full practice question. All right. Any question about those? Okay. So given that, I'm gonna move over to the other one, which we have 5 to 9 practice question. What's changed? You guys should be actually able to do this. Let's take a look at it. I'm still saying STP, and I said what volume is this gram of helium? Oh, before I do that, I want to quickly ask you guys to write me your diatomic. Do you guys still remember your diatomic? Who are they? H2, N2.
BR.
Okay, Br2, okay.
I.
O2, I heard I2. F2. Cl2. You have everybody? NOFCl, Br. Yeah, I have everything. All right. Yes. Okay? So you should be careful with that. All right. So now here I'm asking you grams to the volume. So we're gonna say 55 grams of helium. Helium gas is He. So we want to convert gram to mole first, right? So gram of He go to the mole of He. All right, gram to mole. What do we use to go from gram to mole?
Molar mass.
Molar mass, which is, look at your periodic table. Should tell you about 4 point something. I don't have my paper with me. What is a helium in? 4.00? Okay. And then now we know that it's STP, that means mole converted to liter. What's the ratio? I said 22.4 liter is 1 mole. Right there. You guys see that? That's it. Not bad. It's fairly easy, right? It's not bad.
How do you know that 22.4?
I will talk about that on Wednesday. Why is 22.4? Basically, pretty much what you do was this equation thing. You don't have to write it today, but we'll do that on Wednesday. So basically, you have this equation called PV equal to nRT. And then basically for this one, if you plug it in the pressure and the temperature at the standard, which is what I told you, you will see that for every gases, regardless of the gas, 1 mole is always give you 22.4 liter. So that's why you have that shortcut.
So 1 mole is always 22.4.
Liter. If is they have you this one. They need to tell you this one. They have to say STP. STP meaning 1 mole of gas. Careful, not just 1 mole of anything, it's 1 mole of gas is equal to 22.4 liters. Okay? So that's what we gotta do. Okay.
And
This-
this is applicable for every
Ge-
chemical.
yes. Every chemical as long as they're gas, and then I told you it's STP. All right. 250 milliliter. All right. I kind of give you this. All right. So milliliter. What should we do?
Convert to liter.
Convert it to liter. All right. What's the conversion for milliliter liter? 1,000. Where do we go? 1,000? Up here or down here?
Down.
Down there. Okay. Please be careful, because I have people do that backwards before. Flash it. 1 liter, 1,000 milliliter. Okay, and then of course because it's STP, 22.4 liter is 1 mole. Okay, and then we're looking for mass. So 1 mole of oxygen.
32.
Okay, we said it was 32 grams of oxygen. All right, I am on purpose doing this. I'm gonna ask you a question. Why is 32 grams and not 16?
Diatomic.
Diatomic O2, okay? So yes, I'm on purposely writing it oxygen like that. I could just write O2, because I'm trying to see that if you guys know it. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's the quick and simple little lesson for you guys to do today. I'm not gonna make things any more difficult for today. Yeah. Okay, so.
What do you put for formula in practice here?
Okay, so yeah, for this one, formula and molar mass, just this. So I just want you to do practice right there, helium and a molar mass there. Because I just want you guys to know this. So I just thought I added this extra, yeah.
Is practice 4, is that like 8? Why does it say 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm?
That's STP.
So that's like the condition?
That's the definition. That
Then
is
it says-
STP.
So how many moles of, we turn milliliter to liter,
Liter,
and then
liter
mole
to mole.
22?
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
okay, good.
Okay, good. So yeah, so people, what I didn't tell you is STP happened at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. So therefore, question number 4 is STP. So another word for saying STP is just directly tell you the temperature and pressure. Fun fact, 1 year, one of the teacher was very, very happy and give me a balloon. And you're like, a balloon? Yeah. So a teacher gave me a balloon, and that teacher told me that, you know, this is, because it was for the mole day, basically. By the way, mole day is 6/23, so 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So every 6/23rd, we kind of quote unquote celebrate a mole day. Not much, just doing the calculation and stuff like that. Different school will do different things. I know in my old school, what we do is we used to sew these little stuffed animal in a mole shape. You're like, yeah. Yeah. How do I know? Because Michelle ended up sewing 4 of them for both me and my sibling. Yeah, the kids are like, they're like, nah, I'm not doing this. So I sewed some molds. So yeah, but anyway, that year I got a balloon for a t-shirt, and that teacher told me that this balloon, the volume is 22.4 liter, therefore there is 1 mole of gas inside it. Now, it's wrong. It is wrong. Why? It's not at ATM, right? Like it's not at STP. I doubted this teacher filled that balloon in a 0 degrees Celsius temperature. Because that's like fridge. I don't think that teacher filled that balloon in the fridge, basically. Yeah.
What is the formula thing for 6? Like, did you say HE?
Just say HE, yeah, because helium is not diatomic, so just say HE. Okay, doesn't make sense? So for the formula part, because I just want you guys to double check if it's diatomic, I want you to say diatomic in there, so that I know. Like, no, for this one, formula part, I just want to make sure that you know which one is which one. So I just making sure that just a little step to make you guys right formula. Yeah, because when he gave it to me, I actually don't get it. I was like something wrong, but
Yeah,
I
I want the
didn't
calculation
really
guide.
know what was wrong. right? I got the balloon and I'm like, something wrong. It is not it is not 1 mole of gas. But I couldn't figure out until later. I was like, oh, okay, cool. And then a few minutes later, I'm like, wait a minute. It is not 1 mole of gas. Theoretically fun though, but no, not quite. All right, so that's what it is. Okay, so this week I am fine. We're gonna do gas. Next week we'll probably do solution. But the week after that, I am not gonna be here on 3 days. Yeah, conference. I'm not gonna be here from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I miss you guys for 2 days, Wednesday and Friday.
Wow.
And then Thursday or Friday for the other camp. So yeah, I will give you guys some work to do. Yeah,
That's okay, no quiz.
yeah. No quiz, that's for sure. Yeah. So some work to do. Just pay attention and you'll be fine. Yeah, just
Carbon-
small little things to do. Yes.
Carbon monoxide is only CO, right?
What happened?
CO. Carbon monoxide.
Yeah, CO. Yep, that is correct. And then your last question, I didn't give you anything, so I just want you guys to write your own.